Okay, guys, the second construction you have to do is the angle bisector. It's in your posts or in your materials. If you just click on it, you can do, here's your steps. Let me go ahead and minimize this. You can do it here in this applet here, or you can just follow the steps on a whole new screen because it's larger. But we are still going to use the same coordinates 2, 3, 6, 13, and 14, 3. And I know it might not be exact, but we start off with our polygon. Remember, plot our points. 2, 3, that's about there. 6, 13. You're guesstimating here because we don't have exact grids. And then we always go back to our original to make the polygon. And then I talked about also, because that's not exactly 2, 3, our order. So I can click, double click, and I can change here. We're going to delete, and I don't want a decimal, and we don't want this decimal. And then we hit enter, and now it's moved it to 2, 3. So I'm going to do that for these points. If you want to pause the video, I think I'm going to pause. Let's pause. Okay, so I went ahead and put in the exact points 2, 3, 6, 13, and 4, 3. So we have that here. And it says you're going to use the point tool, that's this tool right here, to construct your intersection of the 3 angle bisectors. Oh, first we got to construct the intersection tool to construct the angle bisectors. Sorry. So here we go. So we hit this button right here. Boom. There's your angle bisector. It says select 3 points or 2 lines. So I'm going to do it 2 ways. I'm going to show with selecting 3 points. The angle that you want to bisect should be the middle point, your vertices. So I'm going to bisect angle B, so I got to go A, B, C. There's your bisector. I want to bisect angle C. I can do the sides. So this is the side, and that side, there's the bisector. I'm going to undo that because there's more than one angle there. That's why it's showing you 2 lines. So I'm going to go backward, doing the vertices. There's the bisector, and then we need the bisector for angle A. There it is. And so now we're going to use our point tool, which is right here, to construct the intersection, which is the same thing we did in the other video. Just as long as I have 2 lines intersecting, there's that point. And they want us to use our segment tool to construct a segment from the inner center. That's our inner center, point D right there, to the segment, and it's perpendicular to the side. So I'm going to go here. Let me check something here first. Okay, so we're going to go here, segment. We're going to go here, and then we're going to go to the side. There. And let me see something else. I wish this is Geometry Sketchpad. All right, you can construct your segments basically from your center to your side. Then we just want you to move you have to use your arrow to move. So we want you to just move your vertices and recognize what happens when you move those vertices to the end center. Okay, so move it around and record your intersection of D, which I forgot to do because I think they asked it on the worksheet. And right there, there's our D. And I'm curious, which is not correct because I just moved those points. Sorry about that. But if you go back here, let's see what happens. If I go back here and change my coordinates, we're supposed to have 2, 3 here. So I'm going to put a 2 there, not 26. Delete that. We need a 3 there. Enter. This is supposed to be 6 and a 13. Yeah, 6, 13. So go back to that. And we need a 14, 3. So that needs to be 14 and a 3. Enter. Alright, and then hopefully intersection is 6 and 9/8 and 7. 6.37. Okay, there we go. Okay, basically, guys, just make sure we can do some constructions. If you want to do a new one, let's go to a new page and start playing and moving around and making constructions, and I will go have a video to walk you through your Euler line that you're going to construct for your project. And basically, I'll just show you real quick. And when you get here, oh, sorry, right here, the option to share. You have an option to share with the group. So you share but you're going to embed basically once you get your, I'm jumping the gun, but you're going to end up embedding your constructions. Whatever you make, we're going to embed it. It's going to give you uh, a code, which means I have to make it public, and I'll embed it. It's not letting me do it. I apologize, but I'll do it on the video. I'll show you. I'll show you in class, and we'll hopefully get you through. The main part is to get your construction done, get it made on Geogebra, then embed it. We'll show you different ways to embed it in PowerPoint. Sway is real cool, real easy, and user friendly. And some people talked about a Prezi or making a video. So you got to show what you know. You got to show what you made. All right, thanks.